The most important thing in the world to me is
My family and life.
Snowboarding.
My wife.
Harmony.
Relationships.
Connection with people.
The well-being of Te Taiao, our natural world.
The most important thing in the world to me are the people in it.
We need to explore more.
Live in the moment.
Kia kaha te hautatu.
Mental health. Mental health.
Be nice to all the dogs.
I'd just be nice to people, one another. Be able to stop and have a yarn.
Fill your life with happiness and make sure that you're happy.
Having a beer with our mates, that's pretty important. Sticking together with all your friends.
The most important thing in the world to me is whānau.
When you can talk about your family, you can talk about your community, you can talk about your country. I mean, that's what whānau is. We should all stick together.